Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial from videocourse.center.com. I am very excited that you have taken this first step to improve your Adobe After Effects skills, and I do hope that you will enjoy this course and receive great benefits from it. In this course, we're gonna learn how to create amazing simple to complex matte transitions for your videos from scratch. Even if you have never opened After Effects before, you will learn all the essential tips and techniques you need to know for creating amazing transitions for your videos step by step. In this course, we're gonna create several amazing matte transitions, and in each lecture you will learn new techniques in Adobe After Effects, so I highly encourage you to watch all the lectures carefully, and by the end of this course you will be able to create stunning video transitions on your own. Okay, if you are ready to have fun and create fantastic matte transitions, enroll now and I will see you in lesson 1. Thank you very much for taking this course and I see you in the next video.